唔安大家，我係蔡子月。
好，請問你今年幾多歲？
我今年4歲半，我個哥哥8歲，我嘅屋企人有4個人，爸爸媽媽、哥哥同我。
好，咁請問你爸爸叫咩名？
蔡清。
咁請問爸爸嘅職業係？
玉章。
好，咁請問媽媽叫咩名？
馮永珠。
咁媽媽嘅職業係？
老師。
好，咁請問你喺邊度返學？
長沙灣星匯居。
咁呢間學校叫咩名？
學之園幼稚園。
好，咁我哋今日就問到呢度啦。
多謝大家。
好，再見。
Long ago, a girl named Rapunzel lived in a tall tower. A mean old woman kept her locked up.
See, so good. That's why you have to be much more confident, okay? The tower, go.
The tower had no doors and only one window.
See? All correct, right? Right? High five. See, told you, didn't I?
Rapunzel had very long hair.
Great, again.
When the old woman
Aim.
came to give the girl food, the woman yelled, Rapunzel, Rapunzel, let down your hair. Then the
You know this word. Old. Yes.
woman climbed up the hair.
Wow.
One day a handsome prince wanted walk past the tower. He heard Rapunzel singing. He wanted to talk to her.
Wow.
We wake and wonder at the snow. It puts on such a lovely show.
Amazing. Well done. See, when you believe in yourself.
The snowflakes dance before our eyes. Each snowflake is a different size.
Wow. Such a lovely, lovely smart girl. Keep going.
We grab our
Believe in yourself, Kylie. So easy, this word.
hats and boots and coats. We run outside to play.
Great job again.
A chilly wind come rushing in. We zip our coats up to our chin. Grandma called, it's time to go. We hurry in from the snow.
Wow, Kylie!
大家好，我叫蔡子月，今日我要講個故事。 首先，早上爸爸媽媽同哥哥喺屋企度食早餐，然後爸爸媽媽帶哥哥去足球場度踢足球。突然之間，哥哥覺得肚痛，然後足球教練見到哥哥，足球教練就安慰佢，然後爸爸媽媽就接返哥哥，然後爸爸媽媽帶哥哥去醫院檢查，醫院度有醫生同護士幫佢檢查。我個故事講完，多謝大家。大家好，我叫蔡子睿，今日我要講一個故事，叫做媽媽同妹妹一齊衝朱古力。喺15，媽媽和妹妹想要飲朱古力，跟住媽媽準備咗熱水、朱古力粉、2隻杯同埋一包棉花糖。首先，妹妹用匙羹筆3根朱古力粉落個杯度，然後媽媽話熱水會辣親你隻手，咁媽媽就幫手斟熱水，然後妹妹攞隻匙羹細力攪勻啲朱古力粉，然後最後妹妹想要再好味啲，就落咗啲棉花糖落去。最後媽媽同妹妹一齊吹一吹佢，慢慢飲朱古力。我個故事講完，多謝大家。
Afternoon.
Good afternoon, Miss Rachel.
Can I have your photo, please? Thank you. How are you today?
Today I am good.
That's great. Can you please introduce yourself?
My name is Kylie. I have 4 people in my family. I am 5 years old. My school's name is Learning Habitat Kindergarten. I love to play musical chair with my mommy and daddy.
Why do you like to play the musical chair with mommy and daddy?
Because I like music.
And can you tell me, what do you like to do in your free time?
Free time. I like to play.
What do you like to play? So free time means when you finish all of your homework, what do you like to do? What kind of activities do you like to play? Do you like to play toys?
I like to play toys.
And what kind of toys do you like to play?
With my notebook.
You like to play with your notebook. How do you play with your notebook?
I will spell words.
You will write words on the notebook.
Sometimes my auntie will tell me what word I need to spell, and then I spell it on the paper.
Then you write it on the paper. That sounds very fun. Thank you, Kylie. You did very well. This is the end of our interview. Goodbye, Kylie.
Bye, Mr. Chow.
好啦，我哋嘅件事開始啦。請問你叫咩名啊？
我叫蔡子月。
子月你好，子月啊，請問你讀邊間學校㗎？
我而家讀緊何之源幼稚園。
好好。請問你平時喺學校最中意做啲乜嘢？
我最中意喺學校度玩遊戲，因為玩遊戲係我最中意嘅活動。
你同同學玩咩遊戲㗎會？
音樂椅。
好好玩喎！好啦，請問假期嘅時候，你中意同爸爸媽媽做啲乜嘢㗎？
我最中意喺我屋企附近嘅公園玩。
請問你會玩啲咩設施㗎？
我會玩滑滑梯同盪千秋。
好好。子月啊，請問你最中意嘅食物係乜嘢啊？
我最中意嘅食物係提子，因為提子好甜。
好好。呢有兩幅圖片喎，請你幫我揀一幅啊。請你打開，用少少時間觀察，再描述一下圖片嘅內容。好啦，請你開始啊。
今日係哥哥嘅生日，所以爸爸媽媽同妹妹慶祝咗個 party。蛋糕上面有2粒車厘子同埋5支蠟燭。
分開完啦，係咪啊？好，唔該子月。咁我哋咧今日嘅件事咧就完成啦。
再見老師。
再見。
Everyone, my name is Kylie. Today I want to share a story called The Hungry Caterpillar. A long time ago, there was a caterpillar called the Hungry Caterpillar. The caterpillar was so weak and short. One day, she wanted to be strong and became longer like a butterfly. So her brain started to move. A big apple standing in front of her. She wanted to eat the apple, so she ate it. Then the caterpillar still wanted to be longer. Then suddenly there was an orange nearby the caterpillar. Suddenly a giant orange pumped up down the orange tree. And then the caterpillar was frightened with the big boom. And his brain started to move. He saw a big orange, so he eats it. The caterpillar became fatter and fatter and stronger, but he still wants to be longer. His brain said, I am strong, but I am so short. So then he wanted to eat a grape. A tiny little grape fell down from the grape tree, so he ate it.
Oh no, like
Then the caterpillar started to become a cocoon. A long time ago, two wings pumped up out from the cocoon. A beautiful and wonderful butterfly pumped up. At last, there was only butterfly alone ever after. Thank you, everyone. 大家好，我叫蔡子耀，今日我想要講一個故事。有一日，爸爸媽媽同哥哥妹妹去咗海洋公園，佢哋買咗2張成人飛同埋2張小童飛，入咗去海洋公園，攞咗飛之後，佢哋就搭咗纜車，個纜車就行得好慢，咁就可以慢慢咁樣睇風景。喺山頂上面有個水族館，佢哋去咗個水族館。水族館裏面有魔鬼魚、海龜同埋小丑魚。突然之間，妹妹同埋哥哥嘅肚有啲聲音，於是媽媽就帶咗佢哋去一個好神秘嘅地方，就喺水族館度食午餐。媽媽幫佢哋嗌咗披薩同埋意大利意粉同埋橙汁。食完嘢之後，就去咗睇海豚表演，之後就去玩。
Can I have your paper, please? Thank you. How are you today?
I am feeling good.
That's great. Can you tell me what is your name?
My name is Kylie.
What is your favorite food?
My favorite food is grapes.
Why do you like to eat
Because
grapes?
it's sweet and healthy.
Where do you live?
I live in Saiwan.
What do you want to be when you grow up?
I want to be a teacher because I can teach people.
And what do you like to do with your family on the weekend?
I like to play games
Why do you like to play games?
because it's fun.
What kind of games do you like to play with your family?
I like to play musical chairs.
Now earlier, Kylie, you picked a storybook to read quietly. Can you tell me what is the title of that book? What is
About people.
it's about people? What is the name of the book? What is the name of that story? What did the people do in the story? Do you remember? No. Okay. Well then, Kylie, you did very well. This is the end of our interview. Goodbye, Kylie.
Goodbye, Miss Rachel.
Bye.
小朋友，你識唔識得自己執書包㗎？
我識得自己執書包。
可唔可以放鬆少少？唔使話啊，識得咁樣。我哋試下話，我咧識得自己執書包㗎，即係好唔需要咁樣嘅，知唔知道？好，放鬆少少，你做到嘅。小朋友，你識唔識自己執書包㗎？
我識得自己執書包。同埋我個晴天就係晴天個晴。
咁點執㗎？
我可以先擺咗大嗰啲嘢入去，再擺細嗰啲嘢入去。
咁你中意晴天嘅？
都係因為
好啦，第二個 section 喎，今次咧我哋咧會問一啲係分享類型嘅題目，即係代表咧你要同老師講比較多少少嘅，知唔知啊？好，請問咧你去過你覺得最好玩嘅地方喺邊度啊？
我去過最好玩嘅地方係海洋公園，因為我中意去嗰度搭纜車，欣賞風景。
仲有咩睇㗎？可唔可以講多少少啊？
我仲可以去水族館嗰度睇魚，仲可以去企鵝館嗰度睇企鵝。
Okay, now English questions. Do you like reading?
I like reading because reading can help me learn more words.
What is your favorite story?
My favorite story is the quiz.
The quiz. What is it about?
It's about we need to find a missing bell.
Did they find the missing bell at the end?
Yes.
Okay, that's great then. 好啦，想問下你咧，你有冇玩過樂器㗎？你識唔識玩樂器㗎？
我唔識，但係我都中意聽音樂。
寫。
今天是美好的星期日。
你好，
Mr. Marco 你好，
你好啊！知唔知道自己將會喺邊間學校度面試啊？
我將會去 DGJS 嗰度面試。
好。請問你叫咩名啊？
我叫蔡子瑜。
有冇英文名㗎？
Kylie，
所以英文名叫做 Kylie 係咪啊？好 ，Kylie 啊，想問下你咧，知唔知道自己個名咩意思啊？
我唔知。
就算唔知，你諗下可以點答？你諗下你哥哥叫咩名？
Kyle，
係啦，咁你再諗下。所以唔知不過，或者我唔記得咗不過，咁記住講不過，知唔知啊？唔知道不過點解啊？
不過我同哥哥個名都係第一個英文字母都係 K 字。
男人好好咯，係咪啊？所以估下咯。好，請問你咧，中意睇中文書多啲定英文書多啲啊？
我中意睇英文書多啲，因為英文書得意啲。
咁我想問記唔記得
即係中文書係唔得意嘅，完全。
都得意，但係我中意英文多啲。
OK。
覺得咩意思啊？
咁平時咧，邊個同你一齊睇圖書㗎？多數
有時我自己讀，有時同家人一齊讀書。
好好喎。家人例如係邊個啊？
媽媽、爸爸同哥哥。
哦，都會同你一齊讀書㗎，咁你好幸福喎。咁你最中意同邊個一齊睇？
我最中意係同媽媽一齊睇。
等一下，係咪你叫 Charlotte？
點解啊？
因為媽媽講故事嗰時有得意嘅把聲。
哦，佢識得扮聲嘅，好好啊。所以唔好咁樣講，試下嘅話，我最中意咧就係同媽媽睇㗎啦，咁樣好你最中意同邊一個屋企人一齊睇圖書啊？
我最中意同媽媽睇圖書㗎啦，因為媽媽識得扮故事嘅內容。
你可唔可以扮一次佢會點啊？佢會點㗎？
佢會扮人嗰啲講嘢嗰啲音。
係啊。
開始。
大家好，我叫蔡子瑜，我今日想分享我幫助人嘅能力。有個端午節嘅時候，我爸爸公司舉行咗一個好有心、好有意義嘅活動，就係派粽啦。有啲老人家好窮，根本就買唔到粽，感受唔到端午節嘅氣氛。咁咧，我就幫我爸爸咧就舉下嗰啲袋，之後咧我入到去老人家嘅屋企嘅時候，佢哋都覺得我好可愛。可愛到咧，差唔多要搣下我啲面珠燈添啊！又握手啊，拍下我個頭啊！佢仲差啲斟咗一杯茶俾我飲添啊！老人家，我對佢好，佢都對翻我好 nice 啊！但係咧，佢哋對我 nice 嘅時候，我都感到開心，因為又可以幫助到人。又可以順便見下啲老人家喎，所以呢個經歷讓我好開心又有意義。多謝大家。 Good morning, everyone. My name is Candy. I want to be a raindrop because the first reason is I can see the ocean sea creatures, and the second reason is I can go to the people's body and see the real life, the body system. And the third reason is I can go to the sky and be a cloud, and I can see many peoples and sunshines. And sometimes I can be a little bit nasty to put some raindrop on the river, but I can still go back to my roof like the ocean. Thank you, everyone.